Hey everybody, welcome back. So I have another little video for us, and hopefully this one won't be as long as my last ones, because I have a feeling my last few videos have been kind of extremely long, and I'm so sorry that if they bored y'all or they haven't been like the content you want. Hopefully this will be, because I know sometimes the makeup videos and the clothing videos get a bit more views than like some of the other content that I put out, but I like doing different types of content, so I live with the have views and the low views. But anyways, I know I said that I wouldn't be doing like any kind of makeup stuff for a while, but after figuring out my bills and all of the madness that happened with the car and everything, like I told you that I had to cancel my yes or yes. But that did free me up to try something new, to try something different, and that's what we're going to be doing in this video. We're going to be trying Medusa makeup. I have wanted to try these guys for a long time. I think for about a year, honestly. And I love their packaging on there. I'm not going to show you the other side because it has my address on it. But I love the packaging, and like I said, it's all vegan and cruelty-free and everything. So me not having my yes or yes freed me up to get this. They're about the same. I think the yes or yes ended up being 18 and this is like 16, you know, plus shipping and everything. And they do ship internationally. I think it's 22 to Canada and maybe 26 to the UK, or I have those backwards, one of the two. And you can also get, not only can you get their makeup one, but they have a like a beauty one just for different other beauty products, like their face care and stuff, body care. And then they have a customize your own box, so there's different boxes that you can do. It's not just this one. But anyways, before we get into the loveliness that is that, if you're new to the channel, hello, consider hitting that subscribe button for me, and you know, be here for all of our random content. And if you're my current subscribers, hopefully we are going to have some fun. Yay! So yes, I'll go ahead and use my pretty knife y'all been seeing a lot here recently. Ow! I opened it the wrong way. Oh, that was smart. Oh, that was smart, Madison. But it's my pretty random knife. So let's go ahead and cut this puppy open. Now, I have had a few spoilers, so I do know what's in this box, and plus I did get it a little late. But their next box is like their big birthday box. So not only do you get your 4 items in it, you get a bunch of extra little items and stuff in it. So I'm excited. I'm excited for that one. So first peek for y'all. Let's go ahead and open this. Voila! There is the first peek inside of the box. Oh, it looks cute. It looks cute. Look at that. It looks cute in there. Okay, and it's all pink and paper and stuff. So the first thing that I'm pulling out on top is the save the date. So VIP birthday box coming this August. You'll get 4 full-size products exclusive to subscribers, including lots of extra goodies. So I'm excited for that because, oh, I love their stuff. Like, I've checked out their website, and they also have some like cranberry hair dye, like temporary or semi-permanent hair dye that I really want to try. Because I know in the fall I'm changing my hair back, because it's finally healthy again after that catastrophe that happened. So, and if you haven't seen that, go check that. I think I mentioned it in one video, so I'll put it up in the card somewhere. And if not, I'm sorry. It probably will bore you anyways. So here is their card, and okay, this is kind of a little cheat sheet, but it says the heat is on is what this is called, and then it tells you what everything is on the back. So we'll put that down and just go ahead and have a look at everything. So after you take all the cards out, here is what you are left with. It is your items inside there. So let's see, what's the first thing? Okay, this one is the first thing that I pulled out, and it is called Witch Lash. I'm reading it upside down, but it says, and it's Medusa makeup is what it says. It's cruelty-free mascara. So I love the packaging on it. I don't really like black and gold, but that looks super cute. Look at that. That looks so cute. Okay, so let's test that out. Let's see what it looks like. I always can do a little more mascara. Okay, and then here is the bottle. Oh, that's so cute. And then, oh my lord, that is blue. Ooh, look at that. That is blue. I could have used this like 2 days ago. I did a kind of a blue look. So let's see if I can. Okay. Had to put some on my hand for you guys. But there is it on my hand. My god, that is blue. That's gonna look really pretty. I have an eyeshadow look that I might do tomorrow. Oh, that is so blue. I was not expecting that. Pretty sure it said it somewhere on here, but was not expecting that. Oh my lord. Yeah, okay, there it is. It says electric blue. It says it right there. So this is electric blue, and that is really good. That's Eddie's favorite color too, is electric blue. Electric blue. That's his favorite color, so he's gonna love that one. Okay, so the next item is a Metal AF. We all know what that means. I don't have to say it, but there's that. There's the packaging, and it's got like a little, God, what is that? Flying V. There we go. It's a Flying V guitar is what it looks like on the side. And it's lip gloss, and again, it is Fade to Black is what it is called. So let's take this out and see what it looks like. I love the packaging too. It's all, I don't know. It's really like metally to me, I guess. Is that even a word, metally? But here is the color. So, oh, that's really pretty. I hope it's like a color that I've really been looking for, because I really want to find like a good gray and purple color. So I'm not going to put it on because I don't want to, just in case. My lips are very sensitive, so, and they're peeling really bad right now. But here is it on my hand. That is super sparkly. Oh my lord. Now that does kind of rub off a good bit, so it doesn't really set. So you might want to put this over like a really matte. I don't know why my applicator brush is bent, but it'll still work. But there's what the colors look like. That is really pretty. And actually, after you kind of blend it in some, it does fade out a good bit. So that might not be bad to wear, because I don't really like wearing really dark. I've said it numerous times. I don't really like wearing really dark like lipstick and stuff, because I just don't think with my complexion it matches me. So, okay. So the next thing that we have is a Moonlight highlighter. So here is the packaging. It looks really pretty and white. Maybe this will be better than my current highlighter, because I have it on and you can't really see it. Like, my face is kind of naturally that shiny. That's why I'm trying out some different foundation. So hopefully, okay, now let me sit here and, how am I gonna get this off? How do you get this off? Normally they come with like a little tab, like little things like this, they have a little tab. Okay, I got it, I think I got it. If I don't get it in a second, I'm gonna get my knife and get it. Okay, there we go. Oh, that just tried to get everywhere. Oh my lord. Okay, so there is it in the container, all nice and white. So in there is it on my hand. Oh my Jesus. Now let's rub it in, see how that does. Yep, you can definitely see that. That is super shiny. That is really pretty too. I like that one. I really want to go bam on the shininess. So there is that. And I love the little containers that they come in. So keep everything all nice and clean and pretty. So here is the last item in the box, and it is a Glam Rock eyeshadow. See, so there's the packaging. Yep. And I will need my knife for this one because it does have a seal on it. There we go. Okay. Oop. It's a box in a box. If anybody plays Cards Against Humanity, it's a box inside of another box. You know. Okay, so there is the actual packaging that our eyeshadow is in. This is going to be really good for travel. So that's nice, because I have a bunch of like big eyeshadow palettes and stuff, but you know, sometimes it's just hard to get it all in your makeup bag that you want to take. So there is the color Better For You. Now let's do, there's it on my finger. It's not that bright, it's not that pigmented, so this might be good for like the inner corner. And then when you rub it on, yeah, I can't really, it's right here is where I put it. It gives you a nice shimmer without being pigmented. So that's cool. like that. You know, it could be good for like here or like down in the corners. Because right now I'm using my, I just got, I finally got the Kat Von D highlighter palette, the one that's shaped like the Alchemy palette, the big one. I finally got that. I've been wanting that for a while, and Sephora had it for like 16 bucks. I'm like, you are coming home with me. So anyways, I've been kind of exploring the world of makeup a little bit more. But, so let's recap everything we got. We got our eyeshadow in its cute little individual like little container. We've got our electric blue mascara that is deceiving in this black and gold container. We got our pretty lip gloss that hopefully I will get a lot of use out of. And we got our highlighter, so that is everything that we got. So this isn't bad for $16 because like I said, I just bought one palette for 16 bucks, so I can't complain. And then what is it? I know some mascara and stuff cost like $30. It's just, you know, there is a lot. So it says, and then here's our cheat sheet, so that is exactly everything that we did get. Now this says it's the July 2018 cruelty-free and vegan. The heat is on box. Everything in here is a $44 value. So if you would have had to buy these individually, it would have cost you $44. It says that the, let's see here, it gives you the prices down here too. It says that the lip gloss is $11. So this pretty lip gloss is $11. See, this by itself is $9. Which is, that's the eyeshadow for anybody that's wanting to, that I didn't say the name for. See, the highlighter is $12, and then the mascara is $12 by itself. Plus you would have had to pay for like shipping and stuff too, so it probably would have ended up being more. And you get this for $16. Even if you do get it internationally at like $22 and $26, you're still saving about half price, because that's with shipping included, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sorry if I'm wrong, but I will put everything down below for everybody to observe and view and see if you want to get this, you know. But that is my experience. I've been super excited to get this box. I've been wanting it for a very long time, so hopefully this is going to make an addition. And I think I will actually use this stuff a lot more than I did my Yes Oh Yes, because I kind of like this kind of stuff a lot better than what I was getting in that. I mainly got that one for the eyeshadow palettes, and I have a lot now, so I'm good on those for a little bit. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've gotten this before and what your thoughts on it, you know, and let me know if there's any particular item that you enjoy, and if you think there's something else that I need to try, let me know down in the comments, because I will definitely at least give it a look, and then if I choose to do it, you will obviously see it on here. So yes, but anyways, I hope you'll have a fabulous rest of the week, and I will see you on the next videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.